You're watching All Things Antonia.
Hi guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and in today's video I am going to be sharing another fall themed video with you guys. As you can tell by the title, I am sharing with you my favorite fall fragrances, and this is going to be pertaining to perfumes. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start with my first fragrance that I have lined up here. It's not going to be in any particular order as far as like my favorite, first, second, and third. But the first one that I have here is the Juicy Couture perfume. And there's many different Juicy Couture perfumes out there. This is just the original one. This is just the regular Juicy Couture. It's in a really cute bottle. I really like just the packaging of it. It's so cute. This is the top. It comes off, and here's your perfume bottle here. This is a 1.7 fluid ounce, and this has lasted me a very long time. I think I've had this for over a year now. But yes, so this is a very good fall fragrance. This has a bit of, it smells so good. But it's definitely, to me, in my opinion, better for the winter and fall months. To me, it has a bit of a fruity smell, but not like the springy, light, and airy fruity type smell. To me, this smells more like it has a bit of a fruity smell, but a bit of a spicy, a bit of a musk to it. It's very different. I really like this perfume. If you haven't smelt it, go check it out. And then my next favorite that I have here is this Heavenly perfume, and this is by Victoria's Secret. I love this perfume. I have been wearing this probably since I was like a teenager. This is from Victoria's Secret, like I mentioned. This is actually the actual perfume. It's not like a body spray or a eau de toilette. It's the parfum, and this is, I think, this is a 1 fluid ounce, but let me tell you, just a little bit, dab right here, and you're good. Like, I'm typically the type of person that just sprays all over from head to toe, but with this, don't do that. With the real perfume, you do not need to do that. Just a little bit will last you all day. You'll be able to smell it all day, and this perfume is definitely one that you can smell all day. See if you can actually, if I can get a better shot of it. There you go. It's by Victoria's Secret, and it is called Heavenly, and this is just my favorite perfume for, I said I wasn't going to mention favorites, but this is my favorite for fall and definitely for the winter time as well. Okay, so moving right along to my next favorite fall perfume is going to be this perfume here, and this is the Vera Wang Princess Midnight. I believe it's called Midnight. If you're familiar with the Vera Wang perfume, she does have like the original in this packaging. It's like a heart shape with a princess crown at the top, and it's just called Vera Wang Princess, and it has I think the perfume is like a pink color, and then the crown on the top is a gold color. Well, this one is called Midnight, and it has these dark purple like stones, like gemstone type things that go all the way around. My phone just cut off recording on me. But yes, this perfume I really enjoy. It has more of a vanilla and a musk type smell to it. If you're noticing a pattern, I do enjoy perfumes that have more of a heavier, like a heavy perfume. Some people enjoy something light, airy, and clean and fresh, and that's fine, but I prefer to really be able to smell my perfume, not to be overpowering, but I just like a stronger smell perfume. So this is another one of my favorites for the fall and winter months. Okay, so real quickly, here are my last two favorites. My phone is about to die on me, but this one is almost empty actually. It'll be in an empties video soon. This is the Dreamy Vanilla Woods from Bath and Body Works. It is the Fine Fragrance Body Mist, and it's from their signature collection. This is just basically what it says, vanilla. Vanilla is perfect for fall time and the cooler months, and I've been wearing this for quite a while. As you can see, it is almost gone. And then this I hauled from Victoria's Secret during the semi-annual sale, so you may have seen that video over the summer back when they had their sale. But this is the Victoria's Secret Night Angel. Yes, and I went crazy over this then during my haul video, and I am still crazy over this perfume. It does have a bit of a heavier smell to it that I particularly like. And I'm not really good at describing fragrances. I think I described it in that video, so I'll try to link it if I don't forget. And this actually kind of smells similar to the Vera Wang perfume that I mentioned, but this is a fragrance mist body spray, so it's not like a perfume or a toilette or anything like that, but I really like this. This is definitely one that I spray from head to toe, and yes, I really like this. It's also going to be one of my favorites for the winter time as well. Okay guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. Those are my favorite fall fragrances, and so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know what are some of your favorite fall fragrances. Maybe I'll try some of those out. You know, I am a product junkie. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And stay tuned for my next fall themed video that will be coming out very soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.